Hopefully we didn't scare you too much. Welcome back to Twinkl Kids TV. As we're in the run-up to Halloween, today we're going to be learning how to draw a pumpkin. As always, we'll start by using a pencil to mark out some basic shapes before creating some more final lines with a pen. So, once you've got everything you could possibly need, let's get going! Start by drawing an oval in the middle of your page. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, as you can rub these lines out later. Following this, draw a slightly curved line through the middle of the oval. For the pumpkin's eyes, draw 2 more smaller ovals in the middle of the line. You can make them different sizes to show how your pumpkin has been carved. Next, draw another curved line in the bottom half of the oval, with another line beneath that to create a banana shape. This will be the pumpkin's mouth. To complete the first layer of the pumpkin, draw a final curved line coming out the very top of the oval to show where the stem will be. As you've got this far, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel? That way, you won't miss any of our videos. Now it's time to pick up your pen and complete the pumpkin. Start by overlining the eyes. Then, using the top line as a guide, draw some zigzag lines over the sketch of the banana-shaped mouth. However, you can leave the bottom line as a smooth curve. Now your pumpkin is beginning to look a bit more scary. To show a bit more texture when outlining the shape of the pumpkin, start with 3 small arches at the top and bottom, before connecting them on the sides with smooth lines. To add a stem, follow the direction of the mark you made earlier with 2 diagonal lines facing each other. Then, for the very end, create a shape that looks like the edge of a rectangle. From the point where these lines meet the pumpkin, you can add in some swirls to act as the vines coming off. These can be as wispy and as long as you like. Now all that's left to do is some shading in. Using your pen, colour in the eyes, stem and mouth. And that's your pumpkin completed. You might want to go and colour it orange now so it really stands out. Thanks for joining us today on Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more spooky sketches.